discover the fascinating origins of the term lean and how it becomes an essential aspect of modern business culture. In this video, we dive into the history of lean and explore its fundamental principles. While it may be commonly associated with Six Sigma, lean is a powerful tool in its own right. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding on what lean is, its objectives, and how to identify and eliminate waste practices in your organization.
Lean is actually a philosophy that focuses on creating value through a culture of continuous improvement and focus on elimination of waste. So it is actually a culture which focuses on customers, bringing value to the customers, improving the flow through waste elimination. And it is actually based on Toyota Production System or TPS. Let's look at the three gentlemen from the last century and their influences on lean. The first one would be Dr. James Womack, where he led a group of researchers from MIT to study the production and the innovation in the automobile industries. And they began to observe the Japanese Toyota Motor Company's unique system, which has inspired him to release an iconic book named The Machine That Changed the World, which popularized the word lean. Go back in time, Henry Ford has actually begun utilizing the same concept as early as 1920s in his production of T models. But most often, Toyota is credited for creating what we now call lean. And in Japan, we have a gentleman called Taiichi Ohno, the founder of Toyota Production System, where he is an industrial engineer and also a businessman. Toyota Production System actually focuses on two pillars, which is Jidoka and just in time, to eliminate waste and enable flow and value to customers. As I said, all we are doing is looking at the timeline from the moment customer gave us the order to the point we collect cash, and we are reducing that time by removing the non-value added waste.
If you find this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content.
The lean fundamentals for a business starts from identifying what is value to the customers and understand the value stream, what are the ways or what is hindering the flow of a value stream to the customers, and also improve the flow after identifying the ways, and then we'll start to pull the system. Lastly, striving for perfection through continuous improvement or Kaizen activities, which leads to improved efficiency and speed. And it is the fundamental of respect for people that is working in the value stream. The primary objective of lean is to eliminate waste and improve flow, and it perform only value-added activities or process which is in the eyes of the customers. A value-adding process is those process that will transform or shapes a product which will eventually be sold to the customers. And non-value-added process is those process steps that take up time, space, and resources, but is not adding any value or any changes to a final product which customer is willing to pay for. After we know that there are waste exist during product transformation, and now it is time for us to identify the waste in the value stream in order for us to manage or eliminate them in the future. There are 7 ways according to the lean manufacturing, has the acronym of Team Woods. So the first one, transportation. It is actually the movement of the parts between one location to another location. And the more movement it is, the more waste we are creating. The example would be that moving parts from warehouse in another building to a production area. The next is known as inventory, is excess material, either in raw material, in with work in progress parts, or in finished goods that are waiting for customers to buy. And we know that inventory will tie up the financial resources. Perfect example will be reject material from your production, which is waiting for rework. This is also a type of inventory.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Explore the ultimate Six Sigma Yellow Belt and Lean Mastery, which unlock manufacturing process efficiency. The transformative online course at Udemy, which equips you with the two most sought after skills in manufacturing in just 5 hours. Scan the QR code or click the link below to get this course for USD $12.99 using my coupon rate and become the expert in both Six Sigma and Lean.
Next is motion. This is a human movement which does not contribute to the transformation of the parts. For example, an operator has to stretch out the hands to get the part which is placed too far away. And then next is waiting. So this is where the parts that's needed for the process steps does not arrive and operator is idling. This could have caused by material shortage or waiting for the material to arrive. The next one is overproduction, where a manufacturing line will produce more than what is required by customers. And actually, overproduction will also create inventory waste. For example, a large lot size in one process, which could cause inventory waste. Sixth waste is overprocessing, where redundant work which does not transform product. For example, performing 2 to 3 times inspections on the same part. Inspection does not transform the products. It is actually a waste in a process. And the last waste is defect. Any parts that fails specifications or fail customers' requirement. The example will be those rework or scrap unit, which also cost money. After we have identified what are waste, let's look at the lean tools which are commonly used to eliminate waste. The first one is 5S, which I'm sure every one of you has heard about it. It's actually a housekeeping tools which sort, store, clean, and it started with every tools or every part has its place. Next is Kaizen, which is a continuous improvement process to make things better. Standardize work for employee to follow during product transformation, which reduce variations and also waste. Error proofing, which prevent mistakes from being made or being passed on. The last one is visual management, which display informations and help to identify abnormality. After we have gone through both Six Sigma and Lean methodology, don't you think they are really different? Six Sigma is about variation reduction, and Lean is about bringing value to a value stream through waste elimination and strive for perfection. Then, why both different methodology can be mixed together? I will discuss more about the term Lean Six Sigma in the consecutive video. For Six Sigma video, please click on the link below or look up for it at the end of this video.
I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.